Hello friends, today we are going to solve CBSE class 10th maths exercise 4.3 question number 9. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 integer 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Means two tap are there, with one with larger diameter, one with smaller diameter, and what they are telling, both are started together and it can fill the tank in 9 integers 7 by 8 hours, and they told us to find out the time separately. Means we have to find out the time separately of both the taps alone to fill the tank. So what we have to do, suppose first we have to suppose time taken by smaller tap, time taken by smaller tap to fill the tank, fill tank is equals to x hours. Generally what you have to do, every time you have to do the same thing, whatever they told you to find out, you have to suppose that as x only. Okay, so now the time taken by larger tap, so to fill the tank, will be equals to x, now 10 hour less, so x minus 10 hours. If you are taking larger tap time as x, then here you have to add. You can take that also. Then x plus 10 you are here you have to take, and you can suppose x here. Whatever you like, you can suppose. So first this thing you have to do. Now both the tap together taking 9 integer 3 by 7. So total time, let me write down here, total time by both the tap together is 9 integer 7 3 by 8. So first we will convert it into improper fraction. 9 8 are 72, 75 by 8. So this is the total time taken by both the tank together to fill a tank. Now this we got time. Now we have to, every time when two things are together, or man and in woman or woman terms, or two taps are there, at that time what you have to convert that into 1 hour time. Means in 1 hour what they are doing, if man and woman work is there, then at that time you have to take in 1 day how much they are doing the work. Here we have to do in 1 hour how much water they can fill. So the smaller tap in 1 hour, sorry, 1 hour smaller tap can fill how much part, 1 by x part, you can say. Total time is x hour. So in 1 hour, 1 out of x part that smaller tap can fill. In 1 hour, larger tap can fill, larger tap, again the same thing you have to write down here, can fill 1 by x minus n. Now in 1 hour this can do this much, in 1 hour this larger tap can do this much part, and total time is this. So in 1 hour, what is one part? One, you have to take one part of this, so that will be one part of this. Or in 1 hour, this will tell you 1 upon 75 by 8. You can take this here, 8 by 75. So in 1 hour, this much water will flow in the tank by both this time. So now we can get one equation with this, that is 1 upon x. The smaller tap will fill this much part, plus bigger tap will fill this much part in 1 hour, and total water received in the tank will be 8 by 75 pounds. So this way you have to convert first, and now you have to solve this, and you will get one quadratic. You can take it here, x minus 10. You have to take out LCM, so here x minus 10, x minus 10, here x, and here you will get x, and directly this will become x square minus 10x, and 8 here and 75 here. So x plus x, 2x. Let me first solve here. 2x minus 10 upon x square minus 10x equals to 8 by 75. Now I am solving here so that you come to know. Now take this here. You can cancel if you want to, but first let us take it here. Now I am solving here. 75 2s are 150x minus 750, and take this on that side, 8x square minus 8 10s are 80x. Now take this all numbers from that side. 0 equals to 8x square minus 80x. This will become minus, sorry, also minus 80x is there. Okay, it's okay, I have not done any mistake. Now take this minus 150 here and minus 750. So now what? Now you have to add this. 0 equals to 8x square minus 230x minus 750. Now you can see this all numbers are divisible by 2. So if you want, you can take out 2 common to reduce our equation. So take out 2 common, 4x square minus 115x minus 375. So, and you this 2 will go here and this will get cancelled. Now this is your quadratic. Now you can solve this quadratic by splitting the middle term method or quadratic, whatever you like. I'm going to solve by splitting the middle term. Let us solve. So the factors of 4 is 2 into 2. The factors of 375 that we have to find out. You can find out 375. So directly with 3 only 1, 2, 5. Then 5, 25, 5, 5, 5, 1. So these are the total factors. I am writing it here so that we can do. I am not writing. Now let us. We want 115. So how we will get 115? Let us try. This will be 15 and this 5 is like 25 and 25 for 100. 115. So 115. These are the two factors. So you will get this 4 and this. So 115. So here you have to take 4x square minus 100x minus 15x minus 375. I was telling you that we had done somewhere some mistake. I was not getting that mistake. Here it is plus. I told you why, because I was getting 2 minus which is impossible, so plus is here. Now you will get the proper answer. Let us take out this 4 common and x common. So x minus 25. Here also you can take out 15 common minus 15 common. So x minus 25. So your factors is 4x minus 15 and x minus 25. So x equals to 15 by 4 or x is equals to 25. 15 by 4 will give you 3.12 means 3 point something. So the time of the smaller tab cannot be 3 hours and something. Why? Because we know that we have to subtract 10 from that in larger number. So it is not possible only. So the possible answer is 25. So the time taken by smaller tab is 25 hours and time taken by the larger tab 25 minus 10, 15 hours to separately or alone fill this tank. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.